friends, and welcome to What a Sweet Holiday YouTube video hop. We are a group of crafters who love the holidays, and we wanted to inspire you with some food projects. So like, think delicious desserts, Christmas puddings, Christmas cookies, gingerbread houses, all of those things. And so today I'm going to show you how to make this darling gingerbread that is also a cute little easel card that you could use on like a package as a tag. You could just put this on some cookies, and then they could also display this in their home standing up like this as a little easel card. I mean, how cute is that? Okay, so let me show you what you will need to recreate this. You will need a little sentiment or something else to keep your gingerbread standing up. I chose this one from Paper Sweeties because all of my dies and stamps that I'm using today are from Paper Sweeties, and then I just added a little bit of oomph with some gel pen. It says, wishing you the sweetest season. You're also gonna need your gingerbread die. This is from Paper Sweeties, and you're gonna need one cutout of a gingerbread man, and then you're gonna need a piece of paper that you'll make the card base with, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. You'll need some buttons. You'll need your scissors, of course, all of your little embellishments. I have some black rhinestones up here that I used for eyes. And then the other pieces that I die cut out, I die cut this. Actually, I think it's tree trimming, but I liked it for the icing of the gingerbread man, and we're gonna cut this up and use it on him. And then the little tiny smile. Let me see if I can show you. It's so teeny tiny, but it's so cute. I die cut that out of some red sparkly paper. So let me move a couple of things, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do first. So I've already got these things die cut out, but in order to make the card base, what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of paper, and this one just happens to be 4 by 6 because this die is 4 inches long, and I was able to do 4 inches and then 2 6 by 6s off of that strip. And you're going to fold it in half. You can score it with a scoring tool if you want to. I'm just going to simply fold it in half. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a partial die cut, which means that the edge is going to stay as a fold and it's not going to get cut out. And so what you're going to do is you're going to put that little gingerbread man right on there, and you're going to die cut it out, but not the top of the head. And when you do that, let me see if I can show you, it gives you this back part that's the main fold of the card. Okay, so I'm gonna go die cut this and I will be right back. All right, so I have that partially die cut piece. This is going to be the card base. And because this paper that I'm using is shimmery on one side and not on the other, I made this plain brown be the inside of the card. So next what we need to do is we need to score this inside part of the gingerbread to give it that extra easel fold so that it can stand up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this base and I'm going to take my paper cutter, because this is what I use as my scoring guide, and I'm going to score this at 1.5 inches, but I'm going to open it up first. And now I've got that score line right there, and I'm gonna fold that in like this so that we've got that nice fold for our easel. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna adhere our main gingerbread to the card base. When you do this, you will only add adhesive to the bottom part of the gingerbread. And now I have my little easel card, okay? So the next step is to just decorate this little guy. So I will probably speed this part up. I am gonna use hot glue for the buttons, just so you know. And so, oh, and I told you I was gonna tell you how I was gonna cut this. This one little piece right here, I cut into 4ths and then I trim around my gingerbread man. So let's decorate this little guy. right, so my little gingerbread man is all decorated. I decided to use red buttons instead of the mint, although I do like the way the mint looks. And so now it's time for us to put our sentiment on the inside to make it do the easel pop-up like our original. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some dimensional foam pieces and you're going to just put them, just 2 of them, kind of in the middle of the oval. And then we're gonna pop this onto the inside of our card, right down here by his legs. And now this guy stands up way better than this guy. So this guy is standing up at more of an angle to where you could see more of him when he's displayed on a mantle or in a kitchen or wherever they decide to put them. So there you have it, gingerbread man shaped easels. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you go and see the rest of my friends who are hopping with me today. They have some fabulous ideas and some of them are giving away prizes, so don't forget to do what they ask you to do for prizes. I'm not currently giving away a prize for this hop because I'm also in a Scrap Hoarders Trio hop. If you want to go to that, I will link that down in the description box below, and if you comment on all 3 of those videos, then I am giving away a $25 Hobby Lobby gift card. So thanks again for joining me, and until next time, hugs and holiday crafting, friends. Bye.